And we've got the word him. Him. So, fire. 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 Him. So, him. Him. Fire. Him. So it's him. Yeah, so write your name. Chip, chill. C-H-I. Go on in again. Can you think of a short I sound word? What about the word? What about the word pig? Pig. P-I-G. Dig. I. Do you understand? We've got one letter, two sounds. Okay. Circle the words that have the I sound. So, pie, does that have an I sound? Pie, does it have an I sound? No, it doesn't. So we don't circle pie. Big, does big have an I sound? The I? Yes. Does pin have an I sound? Yeah? We do not circle, okay. Now, did. Yes, we circled. I. Did. Fire is I, so we don't circle. So do not do that. Don't fold your worksheet.